I'm packing my favorite American Eagle baggy jeans with some matching things I got for myself and Ian. Here's my camera so I can make this vlog. This is a fun Mallory Irvin sweatshirt. And this is what I'm talking about. You'll see Ian and I in our outfits later. And here's a cable knit sweater vest I'll be wearing after Christmas. These are the party pants. You'll see these later too. I don't even know how to style those. All set to go. Add the PJs. Then I'm going to show you this book, Will Grayson, Will Grayson. I think I'll teach this after the new year, so I need to read it over this vacation to make sure. But it's basically about these two teenage boys who have the exact same name. Somehow they meet, and there are different stories that have to do with their love lives and sexual identity, and I will see what else. We have our cookies and our frosting. Ready?
Okay. Go, Sam. Go on.
Go, Sam. On. You're not gonna do it? And, Cookie, gingerbread man. And this? Tree, Christmas tree. Fudge. Candy cane.
Oh, nom.
Nom, right?
Needs more to eat. Tip of the cap to you, madam.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Like, right? Two turtle doves, like three friends. I mean, we sang the whole entire song. I didn't see the picture. Oh no. Mouse